Hi, my name is Kimber Gandy, and this is my presentation on blockchain in the Philippines. What is blockchain? A blockchain is a decentralized digital database that stores time-stamped data in secure blocks that are linked together by cryptography. Each block holds validated data or transactions, and they are chained to the previous block using a hash or a digital fingerprint. Changing the data within a block alters the hash, causing the chain to break. Blockchains do not reside in one central server. It is a shared and immutable ledger. Who is using blockchain? In the Philippines, blockchain is being used by retail consumers and the government. Retail consumers are using blockchain through digital wallets for crypto and low-cost remittances. Additionally, the Philippine government is using blockchain to record its national budget and public works contracts on an immutable ledger via the digital Bayanihan chain. The Philippine government hopes to increase transparency and eliminate corruption through the use of blockchain. Blockchain is actively boosting the local job market for both current and future roles. Current roles focus on software engineering, smart contract analysis, financial crime investigation, and Web3 support. Future roles are expanding into tokenization product engineering, digital asset legal consultation, and blockchain business analysis. Where is blockchain being used in the Philippines? In the Philippines, blockchain is being used in finance and banking to make digital payments, remittances, and financial transactions faster, more secure, and more accessible. In education, blockchain helps schools and universities securely store and verify academic records, diplomas, and certificates. This reduces the risk of fraud and makes credential verification easier. In healthcare, blockchain is being used as a way to securely manage patient medical records. This allows healthcare providers to share information more efficiently while also protecting patient privacy. Together, these applications demonstrate how blockchain can improve transparency, security, and efficiency across different industries in the Philippines. On the other hand, blockchain does present some challenges. Implementing blockchain systems can be expensive, and it requires significant technical expertise. Privacy is also a concern, particularly in healthcare, where sensitive patient information must be protected. Here's my SWOT analysis for HSBC. HSBC, a British multinational company operating in the Philippines, is one of the largest banking and financial services organizations globally. They provide services such as retail banking, commercial banking, wealth management, and international trade finance. Blockchain is used to help the bank process cross-border payments and remittances more quickly and securely while increasing transparency. Blockchain also creates opportunities for HSBC to enhance trade finance services, expand digital banking solutions, and support greater financial inclusion. However, adopting blockchain comes with challenges. These include high implementation costs, technical complexity, and the need to comply with changing regulations. Despite these challenges, blockchain could help HSBC strengthen operations and maintain its competitive position. When are the Philippines using blockchain? In the Philippines, mass adoption of blockchain is expected to occur gradually over the next 10 to 15 years, starting with use in banking, fintech, and government services. Early adoption is already being explored by institutions, particularly in areas like digital payments and financial innovation, with most activity concentrated in major urban centers such as Manila and Cebu City. Eventually, blockchain could become part of the underlying infrastructure for services like cross border payments, supply chains, and digital identity systems. However, mass adoption faces several barriers, including evolving regulations, uneven digital infrastructure outside major cities, high implementation costs, limited technical expertise, and concerns about security and trust. Despite these challenges, continued investment in technology and supportive regulation could allow blockchain to play a much larger role in improving efficiency, transparency, and financial inclusion in the Philippines over the long term. How to apply blockchain for SDGs in the Philippines. Blockchain can support several SDGs in the Philippines, particularly SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being, SDG 4, Quality Education, and SDG 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth. For SDG 3, blockchain can help healthcare providers securely store and share patient medical records, reducing delays in treatment and improving coordination. For SDG 4, it can be used to verify academic credentials and help reduce fraud. For SDG 8, blockchain can improve financial inclusion and economic participation by supporting faster, cheaper remittances and digital payment systems. Overall, blockchain has strong potential to strengthen health systems, improve education verification, and support economic growth. However, its success depends on infrastructure development, regulation, and widespread adoption. Before we wrap up, I want to end with 2 truths and a lie. Feel free to comment down below which statement you think is the lie and why. So for my first statement, blockchain is widely used by banks in the Philippines for cross-border payments and remittances. For the second statement, blockchain can help hospitals securely share patient medical records and improve coordination between healthcare providers. And for the last statement, the Philippines is testing blockchain in areas like digital payments and financial services. Thank you for listening to my presentation on blockchain in the Philippines.